Welcome to our channel. If you want to pair your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 wireless earbuds with your smartphone or tablet, follow these step-by-step instructions for a quick and easy setup process. Step 1. Charge your Galaxy Buds 3 case to at least 15% battery. Open the charging case while keeping the earbuds inside, which automatically puts them in pairing mode. Step 2. On your Samsung phone, open the Settings app and navigate to Connections or Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth on if it isn't already enabled. Step 3. With the Galaxy Buds case open and nearby, your Samsung phone should automatically detect the earbuds and show a pairing pop-up notification on your screen. Step 4. Tap Connect on the pop-up notification. Your Samsung phone will automatically download the Galaxy Wearable app if you don't have it installed already. Step 5. If you're using a non-Samsung Android device or iPhone, manually search for Bluetooth devices in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Look for Galaxy Buds 3 in the available devices list. Step 6. Tap on Galaxy Buds 3 when it appears in your Bluetooth device list. Wait a few seconds for the pairing process to complete and establish connection. Step 7. Download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for additional features like customizing touch controls, equalizer settings, and firmware updates. Step 8. Open the Galaxy Wearable app and follow any additional setup prompts to configure your earbuds preferences. Enable features like active noise cancellation and customize your listening experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.